All right, we are out in St. Charles, Missouri at the Scrubby Duck Car Wash, and we've got a bit of a mystery here because as you can see, they've got all these manual bays, but the two automatics have the doors down. So we're probably not going to know what these are until we pull right up. So let's go pull up and find out. Okay. These bays look kind of fancy. One person here. Touchless and touchless. They're both touchless. And I still can't make out what they are.
Back, see if we can see in.
Yeah, they got in the back too. It's definitely not a 5000. It's a one arm, like, you know, a single arm system. So maybe a LaserWash 4000, maybe something newer. Can you go by the other one so I can see if they're the same?
They kind of look like they are.
Yeah. So, okay, let's go back around. I like how these light up. It's kind of cool.
It's got a credit card reader on it.
It seems like a fairly nice place, actually, well kept.
Yeah. All right. So which one? Do you have a preference? Left or right?
Let's do, can you slow down for a second? I just want to see if okay, the boards are the same, so let's do the far one.
Okay.
You can tell it's an older bay. These clearances are pretty tight. So, a little steep.
Oh, well, we're going to find out what it is.
Dun, 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 dun. Hey, I was right. LaserWash 4000. You don't actually see these too often anymore. I'm completely okay with this. This is like nostalgic here.
Wait, the right one has a different LaserWash sign. I don't know if you can see that. Like, you probably can't see it yet.
I can tell you because these are not real doors. You can just walk right in front of it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. This is a LaserWash 360. And they're charging the same prices for both bays. Huh. Now that's interesting. That's like a newer LaserWash 360 in the other one. Oh. And they're charging the same price for both bays. But you know what? Let's see what a $16 LaserWash 4000 wash is like. Maybe they've just upgraded this thing like crazy.
All right, so we'll do the 16 then?
Yeah.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $16.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, like the fake doors over the front. That's interesting.
Yeah, they just built it as a canopy.
Let's pull that salt off.
You can tell these are quality chemicals. Got the double pass on the front. These are famously inefficient switching between cycles, as Jason's finding out. This thing is decked out. the best dryers. Yep, and that's all the time you get.
You didn't even get any.
I think you're going the wrong...
Oh, no, it's
you're
just
not.
turned this way, so.
Detailed drying lake? What? Oh, I guess I just mean over here. Well, this is a good place to stop and look at the car.
Yeah.
That was cool, though. Like, that's as decked out as I've ever seen one of these things. I can't believe they got a lava cycle on it. Like, it was funny. You could tell it had to be retrofit because it ran a backwards high-pressure cycle while it was doing it. But that was amazing how much they managed to get out of an old LaserWash 4000. So other than being a little wet, that looked like good spot-free water when it went on. I was watching it bead off the top as it came onto the car. Good chemicals. I'd imagine this car is going to be looking pretty nice when it dries off. And I just stepped in a puddle and got my foot wet, so that kind of stinks. But other than that, this predictably looks pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. That was cool. I really like this place. So anyway, that is it.